Are you curious about which transcription tool is the best? Today, we are comparing Otter AI, Plaud, and Whisper. Let's dive right in. All three tools help you turn speech into text. They're useful for meetings, lectures, or interviews, but how do they stack up against each other? First, let's talk about Otter AI. It's popular for its real time transcription. You can record conversations and get instant text. It also offers features like speaker identification and highlights. This makes it great for team meetings or group discussions. Next up is Plod. This tool focuses on simplicity and ease of use. It has a clean interface and lets you record audio directly. Plod also offers editing options after transcription, which can be handy if you need to tweak the text. Now, let's look at Whisper. This tool is known for its accuracy. It uses advanced AI to provide highly precise transcriptions. Whisper is ideal for those who need reliable text from complex audio like interviews with multiple speakers. So, what are the key differences? Otter AI shines in real time collaboration. Plot is the go to for straightforward tasks and user friendly design. Whisper stands out for its accuracy and handling of difficult audio. When it comes to features, Otter AI has robust tools for meetings. Plot keeps it simple with basic editing. Whisper offers top notch accuracy but might lack some collaborative features. In terms of pricing, Otter AI usually has a subscription model. Plaud may have a one time fee, while Whisper often operates on a pay as you go basis. So, who should choose what? If you want real time collaboration, go for Otter AI. For a simple and user friendly tool, Plaud is your best bet. If accuracy is your priority, Whisper is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.